Hi everyone, Cecil here with Forest River Cargo. I'm here at the PRI Show, excited to show you the Rance Renegade 28-foot car hauler. This trailer has a 24-foot awning, some scene lights, a nice 48-inch double side door with a great slide-out step for easy entry. Trailer's got 6,000-pound axles with 16-inch 235 tires. Some nice scene lightings, exterior speakers, part of the wet sound system inside, some nice aluminum Salem vents. One of the features I like, it's got rear docking lights. I prefer these over your standard strip reverse lights, as these provide a nice range of lighting where you're actually backing up. Our ramp door is reinforced. We have 3-foot aluminum ramp extensions with 3-inch stock bumpers, an ATP transition flap to help get you into the trailer. Our spoiler has some nice load lights and additional tail lights for increased visibility on the road. On the inside, we've got a nice gray rubber coin flooring that's real easy to clean and maintain. The sidewalls, we put a wainscot carpet to help protect your cargo. It's a fully insulated silver metal interior, a 110 pack with receps throughout, a nice steering light pack to help tie down. In the evenings, the dark times, these light up blue, is a very nice feature. We have a new Optimum escape door with the removable wheel box on this trailer. On the other side, a really nice wheel box cabinet. 3 shelves, 3 doors, great to store those miscellaneous items. Working my way up front, you'll see a nice in-floor spare tire compartment, along with a great workbench with a tool chest insert. One of my favorite items on this trailer is the wet sound stereo system that includes a sub and 6 speakers. Thanks again for your time looking through the Rance Renegade car hauler. We'll be down here at the PRI Show for the rest of the week. If you're here, stop in. If not, visit the website, rancealuminum.com. There's a dealer locator on there. We'll point you in the right direction.